Good morning, campers. Like, comment, subscribe. It's a case of, I don't come out camping in the hammock to get a good night's sleep. That's never going to happen because I've got insomnia. I've had it since I was 5. And I do wonder why it is my hammock hasn't broken because I'm constantly tossing and turning. And it makes the occasional like noise, but it's still intact, it's still working. So, a little bit of a hint and tips. If you're using something like the oven ready as a blanket, I don't use it so much as insulation, I use it more as a wind blocker. And it does a brilliant job. But because of the cold, it is starting to get condensation on the inside. So every now and again, turn it upside down. It's that simple. Just flip it over. Because that way you're going to stop the moisture from the condensation soaking into your sleeping bag. Or in my case, 2 sleeping bags, one inside the other. And that keeps out all the wind, keeps in all the warmth. Oh, God. But the thing got cold last night was my elbows. Because, I sleep naked. So it's a case of my arms tend to escape at times. But yeah. Oh. Nice thing about this time of the year is that less bugs. Although moths are demented. They're just like, they're a good example that they're stupid. They're so attracted to light. When your light comes on at night, they're attracted to it, but they don't come out in the daylight. So what, they just like to tease themselves? Well, there is no build-up of... It rained quite a lot last night. It's still raining now every now and again. But I got no sagging bits, because that's just the extra crop. There's no, like, build-up of water. It all drained away quite nicely. And, yeah. I've got no idea if I'm going to be able to get a fire going. It really is a case of it rained constantly. And a little bit of wood I had down here, it was soaking wet yesterday, and it's not going to dry it out very much. So I might have a go and try and get a fire going in a bit. I'm not rushing.